In a cabinet meeting held on the 5th of November 2024, the Meghalaya government approved several key measures, including amendments to building bylaws for industrial zones statewide and revisions to the Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Rules 2021. The meeting also saw the appointment of the chairperson for the Zila Sainik Welfare Office in Tura and the Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Additionally, the Cabinet gave the nod to a proposal from the Community and Rural Development Department to establish the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board, a regulatory authority tasked with overseeing the selection of officers.
One is the amendment of the Meghalaya Building Bylaws. We agreed to the Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Service Rules 2021, and this involves the creation of the Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit, and Cabinet agreed to the creation of more posts in these Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Units, which will facilitate crime detection through mobile units, meaning officers will be equipped with vehicles, which will facilitate a faster detection of crimes. And we also agreed to the proposal to have scientific officers, senior scientific assistants, and laboratory assistants across all districts. This was necessitated in view of the fact that crime scene detection was not a component of the service rules until the Cabinet took up this matter today. And also, we agreed to the selection of the chairperson of the Zila Sainik Welfare Officer Tura, being this particular gentleman, Colonel Darrell Hopkins, was recommended by the Departmental Selection Committee for selection as Zila Sainik Welfare Officer Tura for a period of 5 years. He is currently 52, and we have approved his appointment for a period of 5 years as Zila Sainik Welfare Officer Tura. Then the other and more important decision was also taken for the selection of the chairperson for Real Estate Regulatory Authority. The crux of this matter is that we now needed a new chairperson to head this regulatory authority. It was proposed that the name of Shri B.K. Lingwa, IFS retired and former PCCF government of Meghalaya, be considered, and his name was approved at today's meeting of the Cabinet. Yeah. Finally, there was a proposal from the CNRD department for the constitution of the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board, which would help the activities of the CNRD, where officers are proposed to be recruited through an expert committee or a board. The members of the service being postgraduates and postgraduate diploma holders from reputed institutes, and they will be selected through a rigorous examination process and posted at the blocks as junior rural development officers. We have indicated that there would be GRDO at the entry level, the number would be 59, and the number of posts required to be updated have also been indicated and approved. Now, the crux of this proposal is that since these junior rural development officers, there is a paucity of officers at the ground level, and going through the MPSC would delay the process of selection of such officers. So the need to have and to constitute the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board was felt, and this was put up before the Cabinet and it was approved today.